This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase a LiftMaster garage door opener. Clearing your opener's memory is a crucial step for maintaining security, especially if you have lost a remote or moved into a new home. This process completely removes all existing remote codes and keypad entries from the system. It ensures that only authorized devices can access your garage, giving you peace of mind and full control over your home's entry. The first step is to locate the Learn button on your LiftMaster garage door opener motor unit. This button is generally a small, square button, often brightly colored, such as yellow, purple, or red. You will usually find it on the back or side panel of the motor unit, near where the antenna wire hangs down. Take a moment to visually identify this button, as its exact location can vary slightly between models. Once you have located the Learn button, press and hold it down firmly with your finger. Keep the button pressed and observe the small LED indicator light next to it. You will see this light illuminate, and then after about 6 seconds, it should turn off. This visual cue confirms that the opener's memory has been successfully erased, removing all previous remote controls and keypads from its system. Releasing the Learn button after the LED light extinguishes confirms that all previous codes are now completely erased from your LiftMaster opener's memory. You can test this by trying to activate your garage door with any previously programmed remotes. They should no longer work. Your system is now a blank slate, ready for you to establish new, secure connections. This step ensures full control over your garage access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.